Ever stared at your Expensify dashboard, seen that pesky unreported status, and wondered, what in the world does that even mean for my money? If you have, you're definitely not alone. It's a common point of confusion for many Expensify users, and understanding it is key to keeping your expense reports and your reimbursements flowing smoothly. Think about it. You've just come back from a business trip, your pockets are overflowing with receipts, and you dutifully snap photos of each one using the Expensify app. You see them populating your account, which is great. But then you notice that some of them are just sitting there, marked unreported. What gives? Are they lost in the digital ether? Are they going to disappear forever? The good news is, no, they're not lost, and they certainly won't disappear. The unreported status in Expensify simply means that those individual expenses haven't yet been added to an expense report. Let's break it down further. Expensify is designed to streamline the entire expense management process, from capturing receipts to getting reimbursed. When you capture an expense, whether it's through SmartScan, manual entry, or a connected credit card, it first lands in your Expensify account as an individual transaction. At this stage, it's like a loose brick in a pile. It exists, it's accounted for, but it's not yet part of a larger structure. This loose brick status is what unreported signifies. It's an expense that's been recorded but hasn't been grouped together with other expenses into a formal report for approval and reimbursement. So, why does Expensify even have this unreported stage? Well, imagine you have 5 different business meals in a week, a few taxi rides, and a hotel stay. Instead of submitting each of those as a separate report, which would be incredibly inefficient for both you and your approver, Expensify allows you to collect all those unreported expenses over a period, perhaps a week, a month, or even a specific project, and then group them together into one comprehensive expense report. This is where the magic happens. You go into your Expensify account, select all the relevant unreported expenses, and add them to a new report. Once you do that, their status changes from unreported to open or submitted, depending on whether you've officially sent it off for approval. The unreported status acts as a holding pen, giving you the flexibility to manage your expenses effectively. It prevents premature submissions of incomplete reports and allows you to consolidate all related expenses before presenting them for review. It also serves as a clear visual cue that you have outstanding expenses that need to be dealt with. If you see a large number of unreported expenses, it's a good indicator that it's time to create and submit a new report. Staying on top of your unreported items ensures you don't miss out on reimbursements and that your financial records are always up to date and accurate. It's all about ensuring that every single cent you've spent for business purposes eventually finds its way into a formal report, ready for approval and, most importantly, reimbursement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.